Kahalayim, Layahawa Bahashim Yahushai, Bahasham Racha Kwadash. I just want to give all praises to Yahweh and His Son, Yahushai, because things are heating up. This is getting close to the end. I mean, let's just get the scripture going. This is Matthew 24:7. For nation shall rise against nation, and that's what's going on right now. Where on the planet Earth is there not a conflict? And who's involved in those conflicts? And kingdom against kingdom. Man, there's a fight going on right now. Spiritual battle. The spiritual kingdom against the physical kingdom. Which the spiritual kingdom is the kingdom of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, and the physical kingdom is the kingdom of Esau right here on earth. And there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquakes in diverse places. Yeah, because first let's get this right here. No, this one right here. So right now there's a ton of earthquakes going on. This is the title. Big One Talk swirls as 69 massive earthquakes hit the Pacific's Ring of Fire in 48 hours. Those are the pains right there. A large swath of earthquakes hit the Pacific's so-called Ring of Fire earlier this week, prompting some to wonder if it is a precursor to the oft-discussed massive earthquake, colloquially known as the Big One. 69 earthquakes, including 16 tremors registering 4.5 on the Richter scale or above on the Richter scale, recently hit the area, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, which recorded the events but did not issue a warning. So it's happening. Let's just take a look at what they mean by the big one. Because Esau is scared. He's scared. 69 earthquakes. Alright, let me right here. Because there's more than just those earthquakes going on right now. There's the hurricane in Hawaii too. There's all kinds of things going on. Yeah, let's start right here. So, so like the U.S. Geological Survey, that's just one of his devices, but it works, right? All right, let's go back over here. All right, and the you know they could be it could be the big one, I would like to say, and it could be waking up. All those earthquakes could be waking up Leviathan. All right, so I was just gonna get let's see. I'll start right here. 9 and this is Job 9:20. If I justify myself, mine own mouth shall condemn me. If I say I am perfect, it shall also prove me perverse. So that's Job talking right there. and all these things are coming to pass. They're in the scriptures, and they're coming to pass. So the prophecies are coming to pass. Alright. Though I were perfect, yet would I not know my soul. I would despise my life. So the soul is more important than your physical body, because your soul, your spirit is your soul, and it's alive. It needs nourishment. It needs nourishment so it can grow too. And if all these things that are happening around the world are scaring people, it's not scaring the men of the Most High. This is one thing, therefore I said it. He destroyed the perfect and the wicked. So that's gonna come. Right here. Big one. But let's talk about what the big one is for Esau. The big one is often described as an earthquake with a magnitude 8 or above, causing massive destruction to California, which some have said is overdue for an earthquake of this magnitude. California sits on the San Andreas Fault, a 750-mile fault that has been responsible for some of the state's most devastating earthquakes. And there was one in the I don't know if it was 90s or late 80s in San Francisco. The last earthquake that came close to 8.0 magnitude in California was a great earthquake in 1906, which hit a magnitude of 7.9 and shook San Francisco to the ground. Man, it's gonna happen again, but this time it's gonna be followed by chariots, destroying 80% of the city and resulted in 3,000 deaths. That's nothing. That's nothing. Alright, let's go start from the top. Well, let's start. Yeah. This is Matthew 24:1. And Yahushua went out and departed from the temple, and his disciples came to him for to shew him the buildings of the temple. So everything that they're showing him, he's gonna bring it down anyways. One, and then man, between the earthquakes, the missiles, just the earthquakes and the missiles alone, it's gonna be nothing's gonna be standing. And then you got Leviathan, and then you got the chariots, and then you got the men of the Lord, the 144. If you can imagine the destruction and all its righteousness, then you can understand what it just said. And Yahushua said unto them, See ye not all these things? Verily I say unto you, there shall not be left here one stone upon another that shall not be thrown down. Right, none of them are going to be standing up. So this is what you're waiting for? Dang. They're waiting for the mega earthquake, and then this is out in the ocean. This is a ring of fire, the one that there was earthquakes at. Let's bring that map up. Alright. Boom, let's see this. That's all those continents. See, that's damn, that's all over. Oh, this one's more specific. I like this one. That's the ring of fire. That's all over. That's all over the whole earth. It's not just diverse places. It's all over the earth. That's all over the earth. There you go. It's no longer in diverse places. Well, the ring of fire is in diverse places, but it covers all the earth. It's going to affect all of the earth. That's going to be total destruction. And Matthew 24:3. And as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privately, saying, Tell us, when shall these things be, and what shall be the sign of thy coming, and of the end of the world? And Yahushua answered and said unto them, Take heed that no man deceive you, because these are the signs, right? These are all the signs. Being showed all the signs. Okay, this is what's going on as of recent. All of right here is getting destroyed. Did they just take off that fucking... That's amazing. Alright, let's see if we can keep that back. It's gonna come up anyways. Pacific Ring of Fire earthquakes. Now we're gonna go into those. Let's see. This one. This one shows where they're all hit, where all the earthquakes are. Damn, man, that's all over the place. That's all over. Those are the signs. Okay, Esau just did a little, moved something from my page. Anyway, for many shall come in my name, saying, I am Hamashiach, and shall deceive many. And you shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, which is going on right now. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For this still has to happen. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquakes in diverse places. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Shalom.